Miss Mel, ngayong araw, ngayong March 21st, at ilang tulog na lang Miss Mel, mag-April na, ano ba yung pathway na kailangan nilang tandaan ngayong Marso?
Etong March 31, mag-open ang caregiver pathway at ito ay available kung ikaw ay naka-work permit dito sa Canada.
Okay, Miss Mel. So, sino ba yung mga pwede? Kasi maraming mga caps natin. Oh, kukunin ko yung kukunin ko yung kapatid ko, yung pinsan ko, yung kapitbahay ko. Pero Miss Mel, sino ang pwedeng mag-hire ng aplikante at sino pwedeng mag-apply ng aplikante para ma-materialize itong program na to?
Okay, dun muna tayo sa pwede lang mag-apply ng program na to. So, dapat kung ikaw ay mag-a-apply ng March 31, dapat ikaw ay may hawak na work permit dito sa Canada. So, kung wala ka pang hawak na work permit or wala ka pa dito sa Canada, then antayin mo kung kailan yung susunod na i-announce ng government kung kailan kayo pwede mag-apply.
Ayan, Miss Mel. So, sa mga caps natin nakikinig, no? So, this is your opportunity to land here in Canada as a permanent resident, di ba, Miss Mel? So, Miss Mel, ano yung mga strategy sa mga caps natin, no? Kasi maraming nagtatanong, Kap, pwede po ba mag-apply dito sa program na mag-o-open on March 31st? Mga nga nasa aplikanteng nasa Pilipinas po.
Hindi po pwede kasi hindi pa naman working permit or working visa ang hawak mo. So most likely kung ikaw ay nasa Pilipinas at pupunta ka pa lang dito at ang hawak mo ay tourist visa, hindi ka pa pwede mag-apply noong March 31.
Yan. So, dapat nagtatrabaho. Kasi maraming mga nagtatanong, Kap, nasa Canada ako! Pero tourist visa. Diba? So, at least malinaw na sinabi mo, Miss Mel. Thank you very much. So, these are the common questions that there are some common questions, Miss Mel, na literally common, kaya tinawag natin common. But we're happy to answer this again and again, or even million times, for you. Sa mga caps natin na kaka-join lang, kaka-start pa lang ng kanilang journey to explore Canada, this is for you. So, kahit ilang beses nyo itanong, walang tama at walang mali sa pagtatanong dito because that's what we are here. That's our purpose, our Q&A, to answer all your questions. And of course, your answer na makukuha dito is from an experienced and a licensed immigration consultant. And that's it for today, Pumakap. Thank you very much for joining us, Pumakap. Before we end this video, we would like to invite you, Pumakap, to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community. On this community, Pumakap, you will have an opportunity to access the following. You will be able to join our weekly webinar, Pumakap, plus our 5 days immigration success. And also, we have an exclusive immigration bootcamp. You will be able to learn express entry, provincial nominee, or AIP, or how to find job offer here in Canada. You'll be able to access also our real success stories to give you more inspiration. So we strongly suggest, mga kap, if you are dreaming to study, immigrate, work in Canada, I strongly suggest to join our growing community, Canadian Dreamer Community, mga kap. The link is in the description below, or simply type in the comment section access, and I'm going to send directly this link to you, communitycanada.net. Thank you very much, mga kap, and signing out. Maraming salamat, mga kap, and see you here in Canada.